Let's get into how to wax your underarms at home step by step. Of course, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have melted your wax. After you've melted your wax, you want to go ahead and prep the skin. I first go in with the AHA exfoliating splash just to go ahead and prep the skin and make sure that it is completely clean and ready for the best wax possible. And then I go in with a little bit of some powder just to help soak up any moisture and make sure the skin is clean. For an underarm wax, going with the direction of hair growth is very important so that you don't get any ingrown hairs or irritate the skin in any way. So I like to go from the bottom up, applying a lot of pressure and using the side of the stick, bringing all of that wax up to the top where there is no hair so that you create a lip and you're able to pull it off without pulling on any hair right away. Once I'm done laying my strip, I twirl the stick around to get any little strayaways away. And then once you are ready to pull, I make a muscle so that the skin is taut and I pull directly down. I do not pull away from my body, I pull straight down. If you are doing this properly, you should not experience any pain at all. Now I'm going in with a cleanup strip. When you go in with a cleanup strip, you can go the opposite direction of your original strip. So in this case, I'm going from top to bottom, once again applying a lot of pressure and spreading the wax all the way around. If you do experience any redness, it will go away. Now I'm going in with the calming mango gel. This feels so good on the skin, especially if your skin is feeling a little warm from the wax. Like I said, the redness is going to tone down. And then we're going in with some finishing oil and you are all done.